There are many big boarding schools in India, like the Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, with 12,000 students. These students need food and drink every day. The food had been cooked in the past with inefficient ovens that use firewood or liquid gas. A lot of firewood and liquid gas was needed, and the working conditions of the cooks was very dangerous. The high energy consumption and the bad working conditions have caused the management to change something. Now, energy for cooking is used in a much better and more efficient, sustainable way. Water is heated with the help of solar systems, and special pressure cookers are used for cooking. These new cookers use gas from biogas plants. Food waste and kitchen waste produce now the gas in these biogas plants. This really is a sustainable circle. Through this new and unique method, the cooking time has been reduced and the air quality has been improved. The working conditions are now better and the energy use is much lower.